Hi, so this is my warm-up template that I use for my students. This could be used for any subject. I see my students every other day, so because we are on block schedule. So I actually end up using this side, and I continue to the back side to day 12. So there are 12 days that I use. I have a template for those that if you see your students every day, it is a weekly warm-up compared to this one, so you can decide which one you want to use. If you'd rather collect warm-ups every week, you can use the other template, or if you'd rather collect a little over like every 2 weeks, then this would be a better template. You can see I put the score up here. It's really simple to score the warm-ups. And so the students love having this because when I give it back to them, it's easy for them to see how many points they got. So what I do for my classroom is, I'll show you right here first. You'll be getting a PDF when you purchase the warm-up template. With the PDF, it goes over, it gives you the information of what I do. In my classroom, you can do whatever you want to with the warm-up. This is the 5 days, and it has some extra space right here. So if you want to do, let's say, a critical thinking problem or something extra for your students, they can either show work here or you can give them an extra problem. And then I add another teacher note so that you can see this is the 12th one that I showed you that I use. And here's an example of it. So what I do with my class is as soon as students walk through the door, they know that they have to take out their warm-up right away and start working on the warm-up problem on the board. I give them about 1-2 minutes. It just matters how difficult the problem is. And I will start walking down the rows. Now, I don't always start down the same row. I tell my students it's just any row that I want to walk down, I will walk down. If they don't have the warm-up completed by the time that I walk past them, then they don't get a stamp. So this really makes my students come to class prepared and ready to take out their warm-ups and get ready for the day, because they know that if they don't have it out, then they're not going to get credit for the warm-up. So in this picture, you can see that I have a personalized stamp that has my name on it, and I stamp in the little box that says completed stamp. So they have to get that in order to, again, get credit for that. There's also a spot for them to put day of the week, so they can write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, and then the date. And I always tell them I want to make sure that they have that filled out so that if they're absent, I know exactly what day they were absent. Okay, and then that's pretty much it. And then I collect it. Once they're done with the 12 days, I collect it. And when I score them, it's super simple. If they don't have a stamp, then they just don't get the credit for it. So I do it out of 12 points. But again, you can change it and decide what score you want to have it out of. Okay, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or want to see more information about the warm-ups, I will give a link down below to where you can go and check out some more information. All right, thank you so much.